back with another video. Now, I'm going to talk about heater matrix in the Golf Mark 6. In some of my other videos I had mentioned before that my partner's heating system in her car isn't working. And I took it all apart to find out what the problem was, because I was told, or from my understanding is, you've got your two lines coming in for coolant through the firewall in the car. One will be hot because the hot coolant's passing into it, and one would be cold because the coolant's not coming through because it's blocked. So on my partner's car, I felt the lines and they were both hot. So I thought that it wasn't the heater matrix. Now, after going through everything else that I've done on her car, the last conclusion is it's the heater matrix. There's several different designs of heater matrix for Volkswagen Golfs. And there's no videos that I can see online of a right-hand drive heater matrix replacement. So this video now is just explaining the heating system, and then tomorrow I'm going to be fitting the heater matrix, but I'm breaking it up into two videos. So initially I first checked the hoses going through the firewall. They were both warm. I thought it can't be the heater matrix. The symptoms in the car, you turn the heater on 1 2 3 4 and the temperature is, it's not cold, there's not outside air coming in, but it's not hot. I'd say it's probably about 16 degrees, which this time of year when it's 5 degrees outside isn't very comfortable anyway. So I tested both the pipes, both hot, so can't be the heater matrix. Took the dash apart to check the motor for the flap that opens to let the heat through. That motor's working. I can see the arm moving and it's all moving, which has led me to the conclusion that it is the heater matrix. Coolant's flowing around the system, my thermostat's working, temperature's getting up to 90 degrees. So the last thing it's left me with is the heater matrix. So today I've been out and brought a heater matrix, which is in this box here. I'll just open it up. Now, let's spin you around. One I've got, Nissan's. These can be brought online cheaper than what I've paid for it. But the reason I've paid more for this is because, one, I need it for tomorrow morning. Well, that's the only reason I need it for tomorrow morning. I could get the same brand one online, auto dock. I think it's £45. You can buy some that are £15, but how long is a £15 one going to last? I don't know. And this was the only one that my supplier could get for me today to be fitted tomorrow. So you get a few bits in the bag. There's new seals, and then you got this foam stuff that you wrap round the heater matrix, and then this here is the heater matrix itself. So this is the heater matrix. Obviously you can just about see through it. Now just zoom out a little bit. Obviously you've got your pipes going in here and here. If you do these and you fit them, make sure you take these bungs out. They just sit in there. Now, like I say, both my hoses were hot. So this sits in the car. This side is the front of the car. This is the cabin of the car. It sits in the car like that. So you have one hose at the top, one hose at the bottom. Some others designs have a pipe here and a pipe here. So you've got in and out, or in at the bottom and out at the top. And I think what it is, the ones where the pipes are wider apart, obviously the coolant comes in, flows through this, comes back out the other pipe. So if it's blocked, one pipe will stay cold, one pipe will be hot. Now, when I pick this up, what I've discovered is, obviously both my pipes are hot. What I've discovered is that this, if I put my finger in there and reach in there, I can get round to this top one. So the coolant, what I'm assuming with mine is it's blocked up to about here. So I'm getting a little bit of heat instead of all this heat, and the coolant is flowing in and then it's flowing straight back out this one. So like I said, I can put my finger in there and I can feel the exit through into this top one. So I'm assuming that mine is blocked with crap up to here. See, these little thin lines are where the water travels through, and if they start to get blocked up with gunk all the way up, then you're just not going to get any heat coming through your heater matrix. So tomorrow when I fit it, I could do it tonight, it's getting dark, but one, I don't want to be doing it in the dark. Two, I need the car together to get my daughter to school at 9 o'clock tomorrow morning. Three, it could take me 3 or 4 hours to fit it. Hopefully it's going to take me less than 2, hopefully. Probably even less than that. So I'm doing it tomorrow morning. My partner's taking my car to work while I do it. So in the video tomorrow, which I'll upload separately, I've got to take out on a right-hand drive car. So like I said, there's loads of videos on left-hand drive cars where they're down in amongst the pedals and they just remove one piece of plastic trim and then they can get in there to get it out. On a right-hand drive car, you've got to remove the radio surround, the heater surround, the center console and gear stick. That's all got to come forward so you can get to the glove box to get the glove box out, and then you've got access to the bolts inside to get this out. Now I know there's 6 holding in the glove box, 2 holding in the center console. That bit's going to be easy enough to strip down. I did it the other week and it took me 10 minutes, if that. And I know that some of the people, especially American viewers and people that are on groups that I'm on that are American, they have problems with their center console where their knee rests on the edge. It's wearing away. So this will also cover how to remove the center console for people that are left-hand drive. I don't know why they wear out on left-hand drive cars. I've never seen them wear out on a right-hand drive car. I don't know, it's the seating position where your foot is on the clutch, possibly where the foot is on the clutch, or where you sit your leg when you're driving. So yeah, heater matrix change on a right-hand drive car, right-hand drive Volkswagen Golf Mark 6. So there are a couple of different designs of these. I think the earlier, I don't know how it works, which Mark 6s have the pipe at the top, pipe at the bottom. I don't know, but I know this is the right one for my car because I took the side panel off and checked where the pipes went, and they both headed upwards behind the dash. So this is the right one for me. So like I say, I'll be uploading a video tomorrow of me actually fitting this heater matrix, and hopefully it'll do the job. So for those of you who are interested, I'll be back tomorrow with another video. Tomorrow being Tuesday, yeah, hopefully I'll get it uploaded tomorrow once I've finished the job and that the job's successful. And so yeah, that's the heater matrix. Briefly how it works and why on Golf Mark 6s, or my one anyway, why both pipes are hot. It's because the coolant's still flowing around the system because of the design of the heater matrix itself. So I hope you all come back to watch the video of me installing it and hopefully sorting out the problem. See you tomorrow.